Hi everybody! We're here today to talk about an exciting competition that we're launching around the Sigfox wireless technology and the Arduino MKR FOX 1200. The competition is called Give Your Project a Voice with Sigfox. So the idea is very simple. Come up with an exciting idea for an IoT project using the Sigfox wireless technology and the Arduino MKR 1200 and submit the idea on the Arduino Project Hub before September 15. Then after September 15 we will look at the best ideas that you submitted, and 30 people will receive a free Arduino MKR FOX 1200, which includes a 2-year subscription to Sigfox, including the geolocalization feature, so it's kind of the best package. And you will have now then time to develop a full project, and you will be able to upload your project by November 15 on Project Hub. Then by November 25th we will pick 10 winners, and those winners will receive a number of prizes. What are those prizes? Prize number 1 is a trip to visit the Sigfox headquarters in Toulouse, France, an RS Pro oscilloscope, an RS Pro soldering station, and a Grove kit. The second prize is an RS Pro oscilloscope, an RS Pro soldering station, and a Grove kit, and prizes between 3 and 10 is our Grove kit. So exciting stuff, exciting material that you can use to build your project. So to remind you very quickly, submit your ideas by September 15 on create.arduino.cc/project-hub. We will pick 30 of the best ideas. We will send you a free MKR Sigfox 1200. After that, you have time until November 15 to develop a project. If you already have a MKR FOX 1200, just submit a project. You don't need to go through the whole idea process. Then by November 15, we will collect the best finished, fully developed projects, and we will determine the winners, and we will communicate the winners November 25th. So you have a few months to develop an exciting project. At the end, the best project will also be presented at the Maker Fair in Rome, which opens on December 1st. So you have a chance to really show the rest of Europe that you're one of the best makers in Europe. So submit your idea, create.arduino.cc/project-hub.